Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today we are going to discuss about triangle chapter case studies. We will start with a similar triangle properties. Similar triangle property, that is problems on similar triangle case study. The first case study of similar triangle says that there are three different buildings. That is, one is Vijay house, the other one is tower, and the other one is Ajay house. So they are we are using the property of triangle. Okay, similar triangle. We can consider this as Ajay. We can take I'll just take like this. Just to show you here, we can take this as Ajay, Vijay's house. This is a tower. So we'll take this as tower, and this is Ajay house. We are taking this three parts. Okay. So now here it is given. Let me take it this as A, B, and C, and tower we will take it as E, F, and G. Then Ajay house will take it as H, I, and J. So now it is given, in the question. Vijay is trying to find the average height of a tower. So he wanted to find the height of the tower. And near his house, he is using the property of similar triangles. The height of the Vijay house is 20 meter. So the height of Vijay house is 20 meter. That is, AB is 20. Then when Vijay house cast a shadow of 10 meter, so the shadow which is formed here, that is BC, will be 10 meter. Then at the same time, the tower cast a shadow of 50 meter. So the shadow which is formed by the tower is 50 meter. And then on the ground, and the house of the Ajay cast 20-meter shadow. So the meter shadow is found by the Ajay house. Now they have asked some questions to solve. What are the questions now? What is the height of the tower? So we have to first find what is the height of the tower. So now we can see that we have to compare, that is the Ajay house, that is Vijay house, and the tower. We can take any of that too. So we will take first Vijay house. So I'm just taking Vijay house, that is A, B, C. So here it is 20 meter, and this is 10 meter. So the other one is tower. So tower is 50 meter. So let me take it as E, F, and G. So we need to calculate this. Okay. Let me consider the triangles ABC and EFG. They are similar. Okay, and let me take triangle ABC and triangle EFG are similar. Similar triangles. Okay. Since the similar triangles, the sides are proportional. The sides are proportional. So now we'll take the sides of this. What we can take? We can take EAB divided by EF. Proportional sides of both the triangle equals. Then we can take we want the shadow. So we'll take BC divided by FG. So now write the values. BC is 20. EF we don't know. We'll keep it as it is. That is your height. Then BC is 10 and FG is 50. So this will get cancelled. So you get EF equals 20 into 5 is EF. I'm just doing cross multiplication. So 5 in 20 into 5 is 100. So EF value will be 100 meters. So the height of the tower will be, EF is nothing but height. Height of the tower will be how much? 100 meters. Okay. Then moving on with the next question. What will be the length of the shadow of the tower? Length of the shadow of the tower when Vijay house cast a shadow of 12 meters. So this 10 is changing into 12 meters. So yeah, we can take, I'll just draw here. So now, so we have found here the shadow is 10 meter, no, 12 meter, B, C, E. So this is 20 meters. Then here we got the value, that is the height we had found, that is how much? 100 meter, and we have to find the shadow of the building, that is X. So here we can take E, F and G. So now comparing this to the triangle, ABC and EFG are similar triangles, sides are proportional. We will take the sides, proportional sides, that is AB divided by EF equals BC divided by FG. So now AB is how much? AB is 20 divided by 100 is BC is 12 divided by FG. So that is the shadow. So yeah, 20 ones are 25s are. So 1 by 5 cross multiply. So it becomes FG will be 12 into 5. 12 fives are is 60. So the shadow formed with the new value is 60 meters. Then moving on with the next question, we have what is the height of Ajay house? So we have to find the height of the Ajay house. So height of Vijay house home divided by shadow of Vijay home equals height of Ajay home divided by shadow of Ajay home. So here we can see that the shadow height of the Ajay house was 20 and shadow of the Vijay house was 10 in the beginning, right? Equals without changing the value. Then Ajay height of the Ajay house is X. We don't know. We'll find height of the Ajay house. Height of Ajay house divided by home or house is same. Then what is shadow? Shadow was 20 meter. So now what happens? Then cross multiply, we get 20 meter into 20 meter divided by 10 meter. So yeah, meter and meter cancel, 10 ones are 10 twos are. So it will be 20 into 2 or 2 into 20 meter is height of the house. Ajay house. That is 20 into 2 is 40 meter. It will be the answer. So yeah, it is 40 meters. Then moving with the next one, we have when the tower cast a shadow of 40 meter, the same time what will when the tower cast a shadow of 40 meter, same time what will be the length of the shadow of Ajay house? So now we have to find shadow, that is we have new shadow and old one, that is initial shadow and initial and new values we have. Okay, initial and new values. So now for new one we have a shadow of Ajay house divided by shadow of tower. New what we got, that will equal to shadow of the old what we had Ajay house divided by shadow of tower which we had in the beginning. So we had a shadow of Ajay we want to find according to the question. Shadow of Ajay we should find divided by shadow of tower was how much? It was 40 we got. Now previously we got 40 meters. So what is 40? Divided by shadow of Ajay in the beginning was 20. Then shadow of tower was 50. So now that will be shadow of Ajay will be 20 into 40 cross multiplication divided by 50. 0 and 0 cancel. 5 one time, 5 8s are 40. So 8 into 2 is 16. So it is 16 meter. So what is a new shadow? It is formed of Ajay house is 16 meter. Then moving on to the next one, when the tower cast a shadow of 40 meter, same time what will be the length of the shadow of Ajay house? Same way we have to do it for Ajay house. That is a new values what we got and initial values what we had. So the new that is shadow of Vijay house divided by shadow of tower, that will be equal to shadow of Vijay house or home divided by shadow of tower. So here we can see the shadow of Vijay house, we should find shadow of Vijay house. Okay, here also it is house. Okay, Ajay house it is. Then equals divided by, now it's shadow of the tower newly formed as 40. Then shadow of Vijay house was 10 in the beginning. Then tower was 50. Then again you do cross multiplication, we get shadow of Vijay house will be equal to, cross multiply this 40, so it will be 10 into 40 divided by 50. So 0 and 0 cancel, 5 one times, 5 two times. So it will be 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8 meters. So here the shadow casted by Vijay house was 8 meters. So this is the case study one which we related to similar triangles. Moving on with the next one, we have case study 2. What is case study 2? Rohan wants to measure the distance of a pond during the visit to his native. He marks point A, B on the opposite edges of the pond as shown in the figure below. To find the distance between the points, he makes a right angled triangle. So he's making a right angle triangle using a rope connecting B with the another point C and connecting a distance of 12 meter, and connecting C to another point D with a distance of 40 meter and from the point C, and connecting D to A with the 30-meter rope, and which all are a distance of 30 meter from D, so such that the angle ADC, this will be 90 degrees. Okay, so the questions are, what are the questions they are asking? Which property of geometry will be used to find the distance of AC? So which is the property which we use? We use the property of Pythagoras theorem. Whenever it is right angle triangle, we'll be using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so yeah, for the first answer is Pythagoras theorem. Based on Pythagoras theorem, we'll be solving the distance, we'll be finding the distance of AC. Okay, so yeah. Next is, what is the distance of AC? We have to find the distance of AC. So how do we find the distance of AC? Now, by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADC, we'll just draw a triangle ADC. It's C. So here 90 degree is D and here it is A. So it is 90 degrees. So we'll just take a property of Pythagoras theorem. By using the property, we can say we have to find the value of AC. That is, if I take this as theta, so this will be opposite side, this will be adjacent side, and this will be hypotenuse side. So now we have to find the hypotenuse side. We have a formula by using Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, using the Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. So now hypotenuse we have to find, that is AC square we should find. Opposite square, what is opposite value we have? That is AD is 30 meter and DA is also D AD is 30 meter and CD is 40 meter. So now opposite is 40 meter square plus 30 meter square. So that will be 4 fours are 16 and double zeros we should write when you square it. 3 into 3 is 9. Then 1 0 means you have to double them for square values. So AC square is 16 plus 900 is 2500. That will be AC square. So square root of 25,000, 2500, 2500 will be 2500 will be 50. So yeah, it is AC. So it is meters. So the value is 50 meters. AC value is 50 meters. Now moving on with the next question. Which is the following does not form a Pythagoras triplet? So what we have to do, we have to just check the values of this Pythagoras triplet. So first one, if you take 25, the most greater value will be hypotenuse square. Okay, hypotenuse square is, then add the other two numbers, square them and add it. So if you square and add, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So here we will get, that is 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So when you add we get 265, that is 25 square. That is, yeah, this is a Pythagoras triplet. Then moving on with the next one, we have that is 15, that is 17 square will be 15 square plus 8 square. So 15 square will be how much? 225 plus 6, 8 square is 64. So when you add this both we get 800 and 289. That is nothing but 17 square. Yes, it satisfies. So this is a Pythagoras triplet. Go for the next one. We have 13 square biggest value, then 12 square plus 5 square. So 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. So when you add this both we get 169, that is nothing but 13 square. Yes, even this is a Pythagoras triplet. Then moving with the last one, we have 28 square is 21 square plus 20 square. 21 square will be 441 and 20 square will be 400. Though when you add this we get 841, which is not equal to 841, which is not equal to 28 square. It is not a square root of 28. Therefore which of the following is not a triplet? That is D is not a triplet. Then moving on with the next question, we have find the length of AB. What we have to find? We have to find the length of AB. We have to find the length of AB. So how to find a length of AB? So here we know that AC is 550 meter, then AC is 50 meter, then we want to find AB plus BC is equals to 50. AB plus BC, that is, we can take from here AB plus BC will give us AC. So we are just finding by using this property. So it is AB plus BC is 50. So now what is your BC? BC value we have already. What is BC? BC is 12. So just write here in place of BC as 12. So AB plus 12 is equals to 50. So AB will be 50 minus 12. So what will be AB? AB will be 50 minus 12 is 38. So the answer is 38 meters. That is option B. Now next one we have find the length of the rope used. So what is the length of the rope used? So here we have to find the length of the rope. What is the length of the rope? That will be, if you see here, we have length of the rope will be AD, that will be this AD, then DC, then CB. So this is the rope which is being used. So we have to find the addition sum of these three. So yeah, we have it is AD plus CD plus BC. So first one is 30, second one is 40, third one is 12. So it will be total 82 meters. So the length of the rope was 82 meters. Okay, moving on with the next one, we have the next question is scale factor. What is mean by the scale factor? Now, for finding the scale factor, case study, we have some questions like this. The scale drawing of an object is the same shape at the or at the object but a different size. The object shape will be same but the distance will be different. The size will be different. So here the shape of the triangle is same for both. Okay, but the size is different. Okay, so now the scale of the drawing is a comparison of the length used on a drawing to the length it represents. So drawing the length it represents, the scale is written as ratio. The ratio of two corresponding sides in a similar triangles are called as scale factor. What is scale factor? The scale is written as a ratio. The ratio of two corresponding sides in a similar figure is called as scale factor. Now, scale factor is length in the image divided by corresponding length in object. If one shape can become another using revising, then the shapes are similar. Hence, two shapes are similar when one can become the other after resize, flip, slide, or turn. In the photograph below, showing the side view of the train engine. Scale factor is 1 is to 200. So here we have to find, here they've given a train and the scale factor of this is 1 is to 200. Now what are the question they're asking? This means that a length of 1 centimeter of the photo above corresponding to the length of 200 centimeter or 2 meter of the above actual includes the coupling mechanism used to connect is how many centimeter we have to find. So here they have given a scale factor, that is 1 is to 200. 1 is to 200. Let me uh, 1 second, I'll write it here. It's a 1 is to 200. Now what we have to find? We have to find the length of the model of engine towards the real length of the engine. So length of model engine, length of model engine divided by length of real engine will be equal to 1 is to 200. It is given. Okay, so now what is the length of model? They have given 11 centimeter. That will be 11 divided by length of real engine is 1 by 200. So now cross multiplication if you do, it will be 11 into 200 equals length of real engine. So yeah, 2 into 22 2 into 11 is 22 is length of real engine. So yeah, if the model has a 11 centimeter, then the real engine will be of 22,200 centimeters. So yeah, it is given centimeter, 2200 centimeter, or it will be 22 meters. If you want to divide by 1000. So yeah, divide by 100. Sorry, if you divide by 100, it will convert into meters. So yeah, we can write that as two zeros cancel, so it will become 22 meter. So the answer is 22 meters. Then, moving with the next question, we have what will be the effect, the similarities of any two polynomial. So, yeah, they are flipped horizontally. After flipping, the size of polynomial, they remain same. The size remains same if you flip the polynomial. The After flipping, the size of the polynomial remains same, of the polynomial polygon remains same. Then second, it is given if they are dilated by a scale factor. If they are dilated by the scale factor, then the size of the similar triangle will be smaller. The size will be smaller. To the ratio of the side remaining the, so the size will become smaller when you are taking the scale factor. The next one you have, they are translated down. If they are translated down, then then they they move around they will move around, but the shape will remain same. The shape and size will be same or similar. The size and shape will be similar if it is translated down. Then the last one they have given, they are not the mirror image of one another. They are not a mirror image of one another means then the size will change. Their size will change. Size will change. Then they will not be similar. If the size is changing, then they are not similar. Okay. So here, what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? So here, this is the answer is the fourth one, that it says they are not the mirror image of one another. If they are not a mirror image, the size will change and then there will not be similarities in the triangle or polygons. Then next one is, what is the actual width of the door if the width of the door in photograph is 0.35 centimeter. The next one you have is 1. We have taken as 200 by 1. Okay, so yeah, what is here? Real engine is 200 and then the model is 1. So here we can take it as 200 is to 1. Now, width of actual door equals, divided by, they have given here it's 0.35 equals 200 divided by 1. So if you do cross multiplication here, you can get 200 into 0.35 by 1 is nothing. So 200 into 35 divided by 100. So 100 one time, 100 two times. So 35 into 2. So 35 into 2 is how much? 35 into 2 is 70. So it is 70 meter. So 70 here we are taking it as, they have given us centimeter. So it will be centimeter. So now 70 centimeter we want to convert into meter. So we don't have anywhere here 70 centimeter. So we'll just convert it into meter. So it will be 70 divided by 100 meter. We are converting into meter. So 0 and 0 cancel. 7 by 10 meter is nothing but 0.7 meter. So the answer is 0.7 meters. Moving on to the next question we have. If two similar triangles have a scale factor 5 is to 3, what statement regarding the two triangles is true? If the two similar triangle scales are scale factor is 5 is to 3. Which statement will be true for the two triangles? So yeah, it is saying two triangles. And you can just take and check it out. 15 by 1 we cannot cancel, so it's wrong. Then 25 by 15 you take, it will be 15. 5 3 times, 5 5 times, it will be 5 is to 3. So their attitude has to be 25 is to 3. If the two triangles are, then it will be 25 is to 15. That their attitude should be 25 is to 15. Then only they'll have a scale factor of 5 is to 3. Okay. So yeah, moving on with the next question we have. They've given here the length of AB in the diagram. We have to find the length of AB in the diagram. So here by using the there we can write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, and in triangle ADC. Okay, in triangle ABC and the whole triangle ADC. We can write that angle B is equals to angle D. It is 90 degrees in both, right? Then angle C is equals to angle E. It is already given in the diagram. They are equal. Then according to this, the two triangles will be congruent or similar to another triangle by AA criteria. Now, then the sides will be proportional. If they are similar triangles, the sides are proportional. So, we'll take the sides of this proportional triangle, that will be AB by AD. So, it is AB by AD equals BC, BC and DE. We'll just take the values, the sides which values are being given. So, yeah, these values have given, so we will be taking comparing these two sides. So yeah, AB is nothing but it is x divided by, and AD will be x plus 4. Then BC is 3, BC is 3 and DE is 6. So now cross multiplication, 6 into x, if you cross multiply, 3 into x plus 4. Certainly 6x will be, 3 into x is 3x plus 12. So 6x minus 3x is equals to 12. So it will be, so it is 3x will be 12. So x will be 12 by 3. So x will be 4. So it will be 4 centimeters. So it is given in centimeter. So the value is 4 centimeters. So these are the problems based on similar triangles. We'll move on with the next one now. We have a coordinate geometry. Case study 1. So in coordinate geometry, we are going to do some case studies. So what is that? The first case study says, in order to conduct a sports day activity in the school, in your school, lines has been drawn with a chalk powder at the distance of 1 meter each in a rectangular shape, ground ABCD. So here it is an ground ABCD, and they have drawn a line of 1 meter each. Then 100 flower pots have been placed in the distance of 1 meter. So they are 100 pots. So yeah, 1 meter for each other along with AD, as shown in the figure below. Niharika runs 1 by 4th the distance of AD. 1 by 4th of distance of AD, Niharika runs. Okay, that is AD. And second line, the second line on the second line. So this is Niharika. Niharika. Okay, she's moving with 1 by 4th distance. Then second line and post a green flag. Green flag. She posts a green flag. Preet Preet runs 1 by 5th distance, 1 by 5th distance of AD, 1 by 5 times the distance of AD on the 8th line. So here Preet is running and in the 8th line, and 1 by 5th distance he has covered. and on the 8th line and post a red flag. Okay, so this is the question. Now find the position of the green flag. Find the position of the green flag. So here, what is the position of the green flag? The his this green flag is taken. Okay, so here it is a green flag. It's posted here. It's on a second line. Okay, so here what is the value we have here? It is 1 by 4th 1 by 4th time of 100 pots we have. 1 by 4th position, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. So here it will be a second line, x will be 2 and y value will be 25. So here the first position of a green flag is 5 2 is to 25. Then what will be next one? The next question is find the position of red flag. So red flag is here. Red flag, it is how much? Red flag is on 8th, so x will be 8, then y will be 1/5 of 100 pots, so it is nothing but 20. So it will be 8 comma 20 will be the position of the red flag. That will be 8 comma 20. Then next one, what is the distance between both the flags? So we have to find the distance between the both the flags. So what will be the distance between the flag? The distance between the flag will be formula d equals root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the first position is how much? X1 y1 will be 2 comma 25. Then x2 y2 will be 8 comma 20. So now x2 minus x1 is nothing but 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 20 minus 25 whole square. So now 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 whole square. So that will be 6 square will be 36 and plus minus 5 square is 25. So when you add 36 plus 25, it is how much? It will be root of 61 meter. So the distance between the 2 points are root of 61. Okay. So yeah, next question is first question number 4. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So now Rashmi want to place a poster flag on in between the line segment. Okay, so where should she place the flag? So here suppose you take a line segment. Okay, so here we have Niharika. Niharika, that is with the 2 comma 25, and then here we have Preet with the 8 comma 20. So now she want to take it in exactly in center, that will be Rashmi. That we don't know, x comma y. What is the value of x comma y? So by using the midpoint formula, we have something called midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? That will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So yeah, this will be x1 y1, this will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. So taking the values, we can write that as, that is, this is midpoint x comma y. So now this will be 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 by 2, comma 25 plus 20 by 2. We are just taking and adding. So it will be 10 by 2, comma 45 by 2. So here 10 by 2 we can simplify, it will be 5 comma 45 by 2. So this is the point where Lakshmi, that is Rashmi has to place the flag. 45 by 2 is how much? 45 by 2 will be 20. That will be divide 45 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 and 5 below, minus 2 2s are 4 again. The remainder will be 1 and then point 0. 2 5s are 10. So the value will be 5 comma 22.5 will be the position where Lakshmi will be placing the flag. Then the last one you have, if Joy has to post a flag at 1/4 distance from the green flag in a line segment joining the green and the red flag. Then where should he post his flag? So now he's asking the other one. The same way it has been asked with the Joy with the they've given you joining the green and red flag. Then where should he post his flag? So yeah, to find this we have, it is given as now the distance of, we have a distance between red and green flag. We have to green flag is he taken as 1 by 4th time of 1 by 4th of distance between green and red flag, green and red flag. So yeah, that is green flag will be 1 by 4 times of green flag plus 1 by 4 times of red flag. So yeah, green flag will be minus, this plus goes other side become minus, 1 by 4 times of green flag will be equal to 1 by 4 times of red flag. So now the no have number means we have 1, that will be plus. So 1 minus 1 by 4 green flag equals 1 by 4 times of red flag. So yeah, if you take LCM, it will be 1 into 4 cross multiplication, 4 minus 1 divided by 4 green flag will be equal to 1 by 4 times of red flag. Certainly 3 by 4 green flag will be equal to 1 by 4 red flag. So this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So we can write green flag by red flag ratio will be 3 is to that is 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. So yeah, the ratio that is m is to n. We find the ratio of this both. Okay. So now having the ratio, we have to find the value, that is what is the coordinates, that is m x comma y. So suppose we have here, so here the ratio of this is 1 is to 3, and Joy has x comma y we have to find, that is m is to n, m1 or m2, we can write m1 m2 also. So yeah, then this is here that is 2 comma 2 5, that is green flag, that will be x1 y1, and then this will be 8 comma 20, that will be x2 y2, that will be red flag. So now we have to find by using the section formula. The section formula says that x comma y equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So now we have this one. By substituting the values we get here, that is m1 will be 1. I'll just write it from here so that I can solve the problem. So yeah, it will be x, that will be 1 is to 8 plus 3 into 2 divided by 1 plus 3. Then it is 1 is to 20, 1 into 20 plus 3 into 25 divided by 1 plus 3. So if you simplify this, we get 1 into 8 is 8, 8 plus 6 divided by 4, then 20 plus 75 divided by 4. So further if you simplify, you get 14 divided by 4, and here we get 95 divided by 4. So further, if it goes in two table, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, that will be 7 by 2, that will be 7 by 2, comma, then it will again goes in two table, 2 it is not a multiple of any, that is one odd and even, it will not go. So we will divide 95 by 4. 4 twos are 8, minus 1 remainder 5. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Then 3 remainder 0, point 0. Then it is 4 sevens are 28. Then again 2 0. 4 fives are 20. So here, since it is greater than 5, after point we can cancel carry. So it becomes 24. 10 by 2, it is 2 threes are 6. So it will be 1 minus 0. Certainly point 5 times it is 10, that is 3.5, that will be 3.5 comma 24 is the answer. So here the option will be 3.5 24, that is your option A. So moving on with the next question, we have the next case study we have is a class of 10th students in Krishnagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. So the next question is, case study is, the class 10 students in Krishnagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. Saplings of Gulmohar are planted on a boundary at the distance of 1 meter from each other. So here these are the one which is having 1 meter distance. They are triangular grassy lawn in the plot. There is a this is a triangular grassy lawn. So yeah, in the plot as shown in the figure, the students are to sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area. So they have to plot a flowering plants on the remaining area. So it's asking you, is the question area, remaining area of the plot. So now the question is, taking A as a origin, taking A as origin, that is 0 comma 0, A as 0 comma 0, uh, find the coordinate of P. So we have to find the coordinate of P. So here we can take, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, we have to find the coordinate of that will be here, it is on 6, and if you take this side it is 4. So here it will be 4, x will be 4 and y will be 6. Then moving on with the next one, next question is, what will be the coordinate of R if C is the origin? If you take C as origin, 0 comma 0, so here it will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So here this will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So yeah, this will be 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So now if you take C as origin, we have to find the position, that is a coordinate of R. So here we will just check it from C as origin. So here it will be R will be it is on 10. So X line is 10, X is 10 and Y will be, you can just see if it is, Y is on 3. So it will be 10 comma 3. So R will be 10 comma 3. 10 comma 3. Then what will be the coordinate of Q? What will be the coordinate of Q? If you take coordinate of Q, you can see Q from Q, if C is the origin, again we have to find from C. C is the origin, we have to find for Q. So Q will be, so you can see here it is on 13. So 13, X is 13 and Y you can see the Y is here 6. So Q will be 13 comma 6. So here it is X is 13 and it is 6. Then next one, calculate the area of a triangle if A is the origin. We have to calculate the area of a triangle if it is A is the origin. So now according to this, If A is the origin, what are the values of P, Q and R? So here P will be what? So here we can take according to origin. A is origin. A is origin. If you take that is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, we have to take the values of P. What will be P? P will be, that is 4 comma 6. P will be 4 comma 6. That will be x1 y1. Then Q will be, Q will be, you can see it is 3 and y is 2. That will be 3 comma 2. That will be x2 y2. Then R, if you take R, you can see it is on 6 and this side it is on 5. So it will be 5 comma 6. It is x3 y3 are the coordinates, are the points of the points value coordinates of the points when A as a origin, when we take A as origin. So we have a formula, triangle of area of a triangle, area area of a triangle PQR. We have to find the area of triangle PQR. We have half into, okay, see we can write like this, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Then you can write here 1, you'll start from number 1, 2, 3. Then you will see what is stopped here. We started with 1. So the next number we'll write it for x, it will be 2. We'll write it in the cyclic order 1, 2, 3. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1. So here we have 2. So next number will be 3, then next will be 1. Then we have taken 2 here, so we'll take x as 3. Then if I take 3, the next number will be 1 and then next number will be 2. So this is the formula to find the area of a triangle. So now the area of a triangle by using the points what they have given, we get that is 1 by 2. So x is 4 and y2 will be 2. 2 minus y3 will be 6. Yeah, y2 minus y3, that is here it is 6 comma 5, not 5 comma 6, it is x is 6 and y. So it will be 2 minus 5, then plus 3 into 5 minus 6 plus 6 into 6 minus 2. So here it will be 1 by 2 into 4. It will be 2 minus 3 is minus 3, then plus 3. 5 minus 6 is minus 1 plus 6. 6 minus 4 6 minus 2 is 4. So it will be 1 by 2. It is minus, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 3 is 12. Then again plus into minus is minus, 3 in 1s are 3. Then plus into plus is plus, no sign it is plus into plus is plus, 6 4s are 24. So now it will be 1 by 2 into minus 15, minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15 plus 24. So that is nothing but we get answer as half into 9. So that will be 9 by 2. Will be 9 by 2 will be the answer. So the area of triangle is 9 by 2. So it is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 can be written as 4.5. If you divide 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder, point 0, 2 5s are 10. So it is 4.5 will be the answer. Next, now calculate the area of a triangle if C is the origin. If C is the origin, if C is the origin, then what will be P, Q and R? P, Q and R value. So if C is the origin, we have already written. What will be P? P value will be 12 comma, P will be, from here it is 12 comma 12 comma 2, 12 comma 2, and the remaining we have already written. So we can write it as P is 12 comma 2, 12 comma 2. Then q is already written 13 comma 6 and 10 comma 3. Calculate the area. It's the same thing. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle PQR will be half into x into y minus y plus x into y minus y, then plus x into y minus y. Then it is 1 by 2. You can write 1, 2, 3. Then start from 2, 3, 1. Then again 3, 1, 2. So you can write this will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. This will be x3, y3. So yeah, this x1 will be 12. Y2 minus y3 is 6 minus 6 minus 13. Sorry, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Then plus x2 is 13. That will be y3 is 3 minus 2 plus x3 is 10. Then y1 is 2 minus y2 is 6. So yeah, you get 1 by 2, 12. 6 minus 3 is 3, then plus 13. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 10. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So yeah, we get answer as 1 by 2. 12 threes are is 36 plus 13 ones are 13 minus 10 fours are 40. So you get 1 by 2. 36 plus 13 is it is 30, that is 49. 49 minus 40. So here it is again 9 by 2. That is nothing but 4.5. So the area is 4.5 if you take C as origin. So yeah, moving with the next question of the next chapter is circles. So we'll be doing some problems on circles now. So yeah, case studies on circle chapter. So here we have the case study 1. Here we have the question is, a Ferris wheel, a big wheel in the United or a big wheel in a United Kingdom is an amusement ride consisting of a rotating upright wheel with multiple passenger carrying components, commonly referred to a passenger car, cabin, tubs, capsules, pods, etc. Attached to the rim in such a way that as the wheel turns, they are kept upright, usually by gravity. After taking a ride in Ferris wheel, Aarti, Aarti came out from the crowd and was observing her friends who were enjoying the ride. So Aarti came out from the crowd and she was observing her friends who were enjoying the ride. She was curious about the different angles and measures that the wheel will form. She forms the figure as shown below. So she has imagines that what will be the angles which will be formed by the Ferris wheel which is rotating from the angle where she is standing. So it is 30 degrees. She observes. So now, what are the questions you have? You have in the given figure find R O Q. So here, what is R O Q? R O Q. So here, R O Q. So we have to find R O Q, the central angle. So here we have some formula for central angle, like we have it's in a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, we can take it as in a quadrilateral. If you take it as P R S Q, P R S Q quadrilateral, we can write angle P plus angle R plus angle S plus angle Q. We'll take PROQ, not S, we'll take it as O because we want to find O. PROQ. OQ. So this one, it's like this. Four side, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it is O. Q equals 360 degrees. So now angle, this is given as 30 degree plus this both are 90 degrees. R and Q is 90 degree, 90. Then O, this is also 90, is 360. So yeah, 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210. So 210 plus angle O equals 360. So angle O will be 360 minus 210. So the angle O will be 150. So that is ROQ. The angle ROQ is 150 degrees. So yeah, the first answer is 150 degrees. So find angle RQP. Then for angle RQP. So RQP, angle RQP. So what will be angle RQP here now? That angle subtended by an arc at center is double the angle subtended by it at other any other any other part of the circle. So yeah, according to this we can write 2 times of 2 times of R S Q will be equal to 2 times of R S Q will be equal to R O Q. So the center angle will be that will be 2 times of the angle which will be sustained at the any point of the circle. So here we can write that will be R S Q will be equal to angle R O Q. So now we know that R S Q will be 1 by 2 times of R O Q. So what is ROQ? ROQ we know we have found it as 150. So what will be 150 by 2? It is nothing but 75 degree. So yeah, RQP. RSQ. So here we found for this RSQ is 75 degree. Then here what will be RQP? We will find RQP. So yeah, second one. This for third one. Okay. So now what is for second one? Second one you have is here we have to find RQP. What will be RQP? RQP in a triangle. In triangle QOR, you can see in a triangle QOR. Okay. So this triangle which is in the center. It is angle QOR. Okay. This one. So yeah. OQ OQ is equals to OR, they are the radii of the same circle. Then we know that ROQ plus angle QRQ ORQ plus OQR is 180. The sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Subangle property. Then we know that here this value we have already found, that is ROQ is 150 plus, since this both the angles are sustained by in the same radius, it will be same. So it will be 2 times of OQR equals 180. So 2 times of OQR is 180 minus 150. So yeah, 2 times of OQR will be 30 degrees. So now OQR will be OQR will be 30 divided by 2. So that is OQR is 15 degrees. So yeah, OQR will be 15 degree. So yeah, OQR is 15 degree. But here we don't have that option. So yeah, OQR is 15. Then OQP is 90 degree. OQP is 90 degree. Now add this two to find the get the angle of R. So you have O. We know that we know that we know that yeah, angle OQR plus RQP is equals to 90 degree. So now if you take this as 15 plus RQP is 90, the equals 90. So RQP will be 90 minus 15. So that is RQP will be how much? 75 degrees. So RQP is also 75 degree. So here we have RQP is 75. Okay, next one, the last one. Find the angle of ORP. What will be the angle of ORP? That is ORP. So angle R we have to find according to the question. We have to find angle R. So here we can write that as so here ORP is equals to 90 degrees as radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Therefore, the angle is 90 degrees. So, moving on with the next question, next case study we have Varun has been selected by this school to design a logo for Sports Day T-shirt for students and staff. Uh, Varun has been selected by his school to design a logo for Sports Day T-shirt. So the T-shirt is given shown in the diagram here. So yeah, for us students and staff, the logo design is given as in the figure, and he is working on it in the front and the back colors according to the theme. In the given figure, a circle with the center O is inscribed inscribed in a triangle ABC such that it touches the side AB, BC, and CA at the center, with the center D, E, and F respectively. The length of the sides AB is given as 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Then BC is given as BC is 8 centimeter, BC is 8, and CA is 10. CA is or AC is 10 centimeter. Now he's asking you to find the length of the length of AD. What is the length of AD? Okay. So here to find the length of AD, we have the first one is since the tangent drawn from the point on a circle are equal. No, always the tangent drawn from a circle it will be equal. Therefore, we can write AD will be equal to AF. AD will be equal to AF. So this both are equal. Similarly, we can say AD will be equal, BD will be equal to BE. Then CA will be equal to CE will be equal to CF. Now let us consider AD equals A. So let me take this as A. I'll change the color. So here let me take this as A. AD as A means AF is also A. Then BD is B. Then BE is also B. BE is also B. So this part we are taking it as B, and this is also B. Then we'll take a CE is equals to CF, that is equals to C, small c. So this will be C, small c. So yeah, adding, we get AB plus BC plus CA. What is AB? AB. AB is A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A equals 12 plus 8 plus 10. So here we have 2A plus 2B plus 2C equals 30. So here 2 is common, A plus B plus C equals 30. So A plus B plus C will be 30 divided by 2. So A plus B plus C will be 15. So yeah, this is nothing but we can call this as S. That is a semi perimeter of a given diagram. Now we have to find the length of AD. So now AD length will be AD. AD is what? It is small a. So AD equals, it is AD, if you take AD, so the other side we have A, then plus, what is the other here? We have the other opposite side of this will be B plus C, B plus C, then minus B plus C. We are getting this too, B plus C, then B minus of B plus C. So it is A, then plus B plus C, B plus C, then minus of B plus C. That will be A plus B plus C minus B plus C. So now A plus B plus C is how much? It is 15. B plus C is 8. So minus 8. So it will be how much? It will be 7 centimeter. The same way you will be finding for BE. What will be BE? BE will be, this is A. Okay. So yeah, BE will be, B will be B, BE is B. Okay. This B equals, what is left now? If you take this B, the here you have B and then we have A and C. So we'll write B plus A plus C, the one which is connected to the point. Then minus, what is opposite will subtract, that will be A minus C. That will be A plus B plus C minus A minus C. Now A plus B plus C is how much? It is 15. So yeah, it is 15 minus A minus C is how much? 10. So it will be 15 minus 10 is 5. So it will be 5. And here it is 7. Then same way you will be finding for CF. What will be CF? CF will be C equals, CF will be, you can see, it will be CF. CF will be C. Then you have opposite will be C plus AB, A plus B. So it will be C plus A plus B. Then minus of, the other side you have is, opposite side is A plus B. A plus B. That will be A plus B plus C minus A plus B. That will be, this is 15. 15 minus A plus B is 12. So it will be 15 minus 12 is 3. So the answer is 3. Now we have to find the Radius of the circle is given as 4 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle. So here they've given a radius. So yeah, for the fourth one we have, so they've given a triangle, and circle is subs- subscribed, inscribed. So here this is what we have. This is a radius. So here it is D and it is 4 centimeter, and this is O, 0 O. Then we can take this as A, B and C. So here we have, this is the points which we have in the center. So that will be F and D, F and D. So this was C A, this was C B, this was B A. The value is what we have, right? So yeah, it is B and C. It's C and C. This is also C and C. That's C A and A. Now, so now we can for this it's a OD equals 4 centimeter is the radius they've given. Now, since the side of AB, see, you can see side of AB touches the circle at the point D, the angle will be how much? The angle ODB will be 90 degrees. And OD will be, OD is altitude of triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. Now, height height of triangle AOB will be OD, that is 4 centimeter radius. Now we have area of triangle AOB is half into base into height, half into base into height. So here we have half. Base is how much? Base is 12. We have already found base is 12. They have already given in the question. So base is 12 into height is 4. So if you cancel it, 2 times, so 12 twos are 24. So it will be 24 centimeters square. So the area of a triangle OAB is a, how much? It is 24 centimeters square. Then next one you have is find the area of triangle ABC. We have to find the area of a triangle ABC. So how do we find the area of triangle ABC? So here to find area of a triangle ABC, we can write, we can, I'll just change. So area of a triangle ABC can be written as area of OAB plus area of OBC plus area of triangle OCA. So now area formula is half into radius into BC AB plus half into radius is same, radius into BC plus half into radius into CA. So now if you take half into radius is common for both, all the three. We can take them separately, that is common. If you take common we get AB plus BC plus CA. So these values we know already. So here radius is how much? 4 centimeter into 4. This is 12 plus 8 plus 10. 12 plus 8 plus 10. So now when you add this 12 plus 8 plus 10, we get 2 1 times, 2 2 times. So it will be 2 into, when you add this you get 30. So 30 into 2 is 60. So the area will be 60 square centimeter. or it's only 60. So here moving with the next question, we have some application of trigonometry. So we'll move on the next case study is on the chapter some application of trigonometry. So yeah, case study 1 for trigonometry is a group of students of class 10 visits India Gate on the educational trip. The teacher and the student had interest in history as well. The teacher narrated that India Gate, officially named Delhi Memorial, originally called All India War Memorial, monumental sandstone arc in New Delhi, decided to the troop of British India who died in war fought between 1914 and 1919. The teacher also said that India Gate, which is located at the eastern end of the Rajpath, formerly called as the Kingsway, is about 138 feet 42 meter in height. So this is a case study what we have. Now, what is the angle? What is the angle of elevation if they are standing at the distance of 42 meter away from the monument? So we have to find the elevation, the angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation in this we can write it as, so here we can take this as a diagram, that is right angle. You can take like this. Okay, so yeah, we have right angle triangle 90 degrees. So it is A, B and C, and this is a angle of elevation 90. So yeah, the angle of elevation for the first one will be tan theta. Tan theta will be height of height of the height of the tower divided by distance distance of distance of the tower. So yeah, the height was given as the height is they've given 42 42. So then the distance is also 42. The distance is also 42. So divided by 42. So that is nothing but 1. Tan theta is 1 means tan theta is tan 45. So tan and tan we cancel. Theta will be 45 degrees. So the angle of elevation will be 45 degrees. Then moving with the next one, the way to see the tower at the angle of 60 degrees, so they went to know the distance where they should stand, and hence find the distance. So now the next one is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is what? It is height of the tower, height of the tower, height of the tower divided by distance. So now we know that height of the tan 60 is root 3, height of the tower is 42. We have to find the distance. So yeah, distance will be 42 root 3 divided by 42. So here root 3 is how much? Root 3 can be written as 1.73 divided by 42. When you do division, you get answer as 24.25 meter. Or we can do the other way also. To see the tower at the angle of 60 degree. So that they want to know the distance where they should stand, and hence find the distance. So here they've given tan 60 degree. Tan 60 equals height of the tower, height of the tower divided by distance, divided by distance. So here root 60 is 3, root 3. Then height of the tower will be how much? Height of the tower they've given 42. divided by distance. So distance will be 42 divided by root 3. So rationalize it, root 3 divided by root 3. So that will be 42 root 3 divided by 3. So it can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 1 carry, 3 fours are 12. So it will be 14 into root 3. So if you take root 3 as 14 into 1.73, 1.73, you get the answer as 24.25 meter. So here the answer is first one, but they have given in the reverse. It is 25.25 meters. Okay, then moving on with the next question, we have, if the altitude of a sun is at 60 degree, altitude of the sun is 60 degree, that is tan 60, tan 60 equals, uh, then the height of the vertical tower that will be shadowed at the length of 20 meter. So here height of the tower divided by distance, divided by distance. So yeah, height of the, this is root 3. So height of the tower will be, height of the tower will be divided by the distance is 20. They've given in the question. So again, that cross multiply 20 into root 3 is height of the tower. Height of the tower, which is your option 1. Option A. Then moving with the next question. The ratio of the length of the rod and its shadow is 1 is to 1. The ratio of elevation of the sun is, so here the ratio of elevation of the sun will be tan theta. Tan theta will be height of the tower, height of the tower divided by distance, distance from the tower, distance from the tower. So yeah, what will be height of the tower they have given? It is 1 is to 1. So yeah, tan theta. So tan theta equals 1. That means tan theta equals tan 45. Tan 45. So tan 45 degree. So here we can take theta equals 45 degree. So that means theta equals 45. 45 degree. So moving on to the next question, we have the angle formed by the line of slight with the horizontal when the object viewed is below the horizontal line is. So here the line, the angle which will be formed will be corresponding angle. It will be corresponding angle. Okay, moving on with the next one, we have case study 2. So in case study 2, they have given a satellite flying at height h in is watching the top of the two tallest mountains in Uttarakhand and Karnataka. Them being Nanda Devi, height 7,816 meter, and Mullayanagiri, height 1,930 meter. The angle of depression from the satellite to the top of Nanda Devi and Mullayanagiri are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the distance between the peak of the two mountains is 1937 kilometer and the satellite is vertically above the midpoint of the distance between the two mountains. So this is what the question is. So now we have to find. Now for this to find, first we will take, yeah, the light at the F place. Then from here we have a mountain that is Nanda Nanda Devi. So here it is A. We'll take it as A, B, C, and D. So then next one you have. So here from the center we have here center point. Then from here we have another mountain. another mountain which is we'll call this as PQ, R and S. So here this is Mullayanagiri mountain. So now this is one and this is the other one. So here the angle here is given as 30 and here it is given as 60. So here we can see they are vertically there are alternative angles when they make it as Z shape. They are alternative. So if this is 30, this is also 30 degrees. If you take this side, even this is in the shape of Z, so it is alternative angles. So alternative angles are always same. So we get 60 and 60. So here we will take this as G and this as H and this as I. So this is the diagram for the given question. So now we have to find the distance of the satellite from the top of the Nanda Devi. So what will be the distance? So now they have given that is AD, they have given it as 7,816 meter. Means converting into centimeter to is 7.816 kilo, that is kilometers. So we are just dividing it by 1000. Okay. So you get 7.816 meter kilometers. Then PS is 19300 meter. That will be it will be 1.93 kilometers. Then DS will be 1937 kilometer. Now what they have given, we can take DS equals DS D and S. So this distance. Okay. So the height of the both mountains, distance between the height of the both mountains can be written as DI plus IS and DI plus IS, or it can be written as DI plus DI, that will be 2 times of DI because they are both are same. Then we can write IS will be DI, IS will be equal to DI, that will be 1937 divided by 2, the distance. So it is divided by 2. So here, and also that will be equal to HP and AG. HP, H and P and A and G. Okay, it is similar to this even 1937 by 2. Now, since HP will be equal to IS and AG will be equal to DI according to the diagram. Now, take now cos 30 degree. What will be cos 30? It will be adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is AG and the hypotenuse is AF. So now it is cos 30 is root 3 by 2, that will be AG by AF. AG by AF. So that will be AF will be AF will be AG is how much? AG is 1937 divided by 2 into root 3. This I am just doing cross multiplication and into 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So yeah, it will be 1937 divided by root 3. If you take 1937 divided by root 3 is 1.7, you get the answer as 1139.4 kilometer. That will be the first A option. Then the second one is second question. The distance of the satellite from the top of Mullayanagiri. So what is the distance between that from the top? So yeah, they have given that will be tan 30. Tan 30 will be opposite by adjacent, that will be FG divided by AG. FG divided by AG. So yeah, AG, that will be. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 will be 1 by root 3 will be AFG divided by 1937 divided by 2. So that will be 1937 divided by 2 root 3 is FG. So yeah, 1937 divided by 2 into 1.7 is FG. Then FG will be 1937 divided by that will be 1937 divided by 2 into 19. That is 2 into that will be equal to 3.4. If you multiply, this will be 3.4. Again, if you divide this both, you get the answer as 5 6 569.4. 56.97 kilometers. So yeah, that is second option is 5 6 means it is nearly 577. So the option B will be the answer. Then the next one you have, the next one is of the satellite from the top of the Mullayanagiri. So here what will be that? That will be tan theta, tan 30 degree will be equal to that is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is FG and adjacent is AG. So now tan 30 is root 3, 1 by root 3, and it is the FG, and AG is 1932 divided by 2. If you do cross multiplication, then Fg will be 1932 divided by 2 root 3. So you can take 1932 root 3 as 2 into 1.7. So that will be 1932 divided by 3.4. So when you divide this 2, we get answer as 50 569.7 kilometer. So now we have to find, that is Fi equals Fg plus Ad. So we have found Fg. Fg is 569.7 plus Ad is 7.816 kilometer. So adding this both, we get answer as 577.516. 6 is greater than 5, so cancel and carry. So the answer will be 577.52 is the answer. That is your B option. Then moving on with the next question, you have the distance of the satellite from the ground is. We have to find the distance of the satellite from the ground. So yeah, that will be cos 60 degree equals HP divided by FP. So here cos 60 will be, HP can be written as IS and FP. So FP will be IS divided by cos 60. So now, so here FP will be 1937 divided by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, so FP will be 1937. So that is your option C. Then moving on with the next one, you have what is the angle of elevation of the if the man is standing at the distance of 7,816 meters. So yeah, we have to find tan theta will be height of the mountain divided by distance of the mountain. So that will be that both are 7816 and the distance also 7816 meters. So yeah, in this both will get cancelled and you get 1. Tan theta is 1, that is tan theta is tan 45. Therefore theta will be 45 degrees. So theta will be 45 degree. So yeah, theta is 45. Then, if the milestone very far away from makes a 45 degree of the top of Mulyanagiri mountain, so find the mountain. So find the distance of this milestone from the mountain. So yeah, what is it? They've given. They've given 1930, and here we have to find x. The angle is 45 degree. So here we can. This is the milestone we have. So here we have tan 45 equals opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 1930 and this will be 1 divided by x. So x will be 1930. So here we don't have any value as 1930, so it is answer is none of the above answer. None of the above. Okay.